Hello there and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I want to give you just a quick update on how the toast cover has been doing. I'll dive right into all of the pros and then I will get to the con if you haven't maybe figured it out from what you see on the screen. The first thing I'll say is that the genuine leather cover is an excellent, tasteful addition to the Surface Book 2. I really have to say I like how it looks, I like how it feels. I got a lot of compliments on it, especially confusing it for another reputable skin making company, and I always enjoyed pointing them to the Toast logo and informing them that no, this is real leather, it's not just a skin. And the protection that it offers the device is certainly living up to its reputation. The other thing that it does unexpectedly is it adds a nice, good grip surface, and especially considering that this is also a tablet as well as a laptop, that extra grip actually goes a long way in comfortably handling this device. And the fact that it's leather, and leather does absorb a tiny bit of moisture for it to be evaporated out, that's why leather is such a popular choice for clothing and materials. It means that if you're like me and you can sometimes get sweaty palms while holding on to metallic objects and you have to kind of give it that wipe to get rid of it, it's a non-issue with this particular unit. So let's get right to my one criticism that I have, and it has to do actually with the design of the hinge piece that you can purchase with these covers. The first hinge piece, which I have here, it did not adhere, or at least so I thought, and they do have, with Toast, if you buy it from them, a Butterfingers guarantee where if you mess it up, they will send you another one for the installation. It only took me 10 minutes chatting with them online, sending them a few pictures, and the other skin was on its way. And it is worth noting that they sent all of the pieces of the original order, so if you mess up that one part, they're going to send you, at least in my situation, the whole kit. And that's a pretty cool thing to do, even though I only really needed that one piece. I would imagine that depending on what device you're skinning, however, having the full kit is going to be essential. Needless to say, customer service was phenomenal, and you definitely get your money's worth with how they treat you, not only with the product. Now that being said, once the other piece arrived, the installation, I was incredibly paranoid. I did everything that it said. I was very, very careful about how long it adhered, the whole 9 yards. And it actually did considerably better for about a day and a half. And here's what began to happen. So this top piece here adheres to the top, and then it wraps around the hinge to the bottom. Now you'll see on promotional photos as well as some of the filming that I did that it actually creates a bit of a stand effect. And the leather ends up holding essentially the back weight of the machine. Now, while the machine was doing light tasks and generating very little to no heat, there was no problem. However, one day, pretty much the day that after I installed it, I ran the machine fairly hard, and I noticed that the adhesive was starting to let go. And the only explanation that I can come up with is twofold. The first, of course, is you have the heat of the GPU base being blown essentially at the bottom of the screen and the hinge. So there is a certain amount of heat that's being generated by the GPU blown out across the hinge. You also have the heat from the tablet, of course, and this is passively cooled, moving into the overall chassis as well, which is normally just fine. And I think the combination is two. The adhesive was heating up because the machine was heating up, and it was also holding the weight of the tablet. I reseated it, removed the tablet, and applied mild heat, and it was perfectly fine. But the weight of the tablet plus the heat that was being generated caused the adhesive on both of these pieces to essentially fail. And after a day of trying to just keep sticking it back on, the adhesive that was included just dried out, was no longer effective, and I made the choice to just permanently remove it. Now, I have been in talks with one of the designers over at Toast, and we have exchanged a couple emails back and forth on maybe offering another way to design this piece where the weight is not being held by the machine, or pardon me, this piece isn't holding the weight of the machine while it's under load and getting nice and warm. However, as far as I'm aware and they're aware, I've been the only person that's had this issue. So, can I recommend the Toast cover? Absolutely, 100%. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. The customer service is phenomenal. The only thing that I would hesitate to recommend, of course, is the hinge piece. I have not had any real luck with it. Maybe that would change for you. If you want to give it a try, it's a very inexpensive add-on. I think it was $20. So if you want to give it a try, then I certainly say go for it. I know that Toast will certainly take care of you. They make an excellent product, and I do highly recommend that if you have a Surface Book 2 or another device that you want a little bit of protection, but you don't want it to be additional bulk, this is a very, very tasteful way to do it. It looks great, and you're supporting, in my mind, a nice little company that knows what they're doing. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this update. If I hear any other information from them on any of their other products, I'll be sure to let you know. If you have any questions about this cover or the other products that they offer, you can ask in the comments below or head to their website. And as always, if you like this sort of content, please consider liking the video, sharing it, and of course, lastly, subscribing. It is people like you that help me grow the channel so I can get more opportunities to look at cool stuff like this. Thank you very much, and I shall see you next time.